met Ilario about 3 years ago when he was trying to become our representative, and I was very impressed by him. He seems to have integrity, he's honest, and he is involved in certain things that impresses me. I was born in Jamaica, and I did it the right way. I came here legally. So I think Ilario is also trying to do something about the illegal immigration, and I think that's a good thing. Ilario is also interested in cutting the time that a politician can run, and I think that is a very good thing. I think that would make it much better. They would be working for the people instead of as a politician just trying to get re-elected. And Ilaria has stated that's one of his main goals, to cut the time that somebody can serve. And I want to see him get Mike McIntyre out of Wilmington. So I will do everything I can to help him in his bid to win the election.